This video is going to show how to create resistive mask layers with the cross-section editor in OrCAD PCB Designer. Resistive mask layers can be used if an error is found during testing to modify the PCBs instead of scrapping the affected boards. Let's define a carbon mask layer first. Open the desired design in OrCAD PCB Designer. Select Setup, Cross-Section from the menu or the Cross-Section button from the toolbar. Right-click the top conductor layer and select Add Layers. The Add Layers window opens. Specify the new layer position as above conductor top. For the layer type, expand and select Mask, Design Defined Mask Layers, Top, Carbon Top. Under Layer Function, select Resistive. Select Carbon Ink 2 mils from the Layer Material list. Click Add, but do not close the Add Layers window. The top carbon layer is added to the stack-up. Let's define a Silkscreen layer next. Select Silkscreen Top as the layer type. Silkscreen is automatically selected as the layer function. Select Epoxy Ink UV Cure for the layer material and click Add. This material will be used as a placeholder until a new material is created and assigned to the Silkscreen layer. Click Exit to close the Add Layers window. Click Apply and OK to save the changes and close the cross-section editor. Creating a new material can be done through the Material Editor. Select Setup, More, Materials from the menu. Right-click one of the listed materials and select Create New. The new material will be added to the bottom of the list. Scroll down and double-click the material name. Enter Ink White Silkscreen. Set the thickness to 0.02 mils. Click OK to save the changes and close the editor. Let's assign the new material to the Silkscreen layer. Select Setup, Cross-Section from the menu or the Cross-Section button from the toolbar. Set the material for the Silkscreen layer to the newly added Ink White Silkscreen. Click Apply and OK to save the changes and close the editor. Efficiently add resistive mask layers to your PCB design, such as conductive ink, to make design modifications and resolve errors with OrCAD PCB Designer. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.